very good day to everyone. Here I am again talking about growing tropical fruit. Pineapple or ananas this time. Pineapple does not grow on a palm tree. It is a plant, a herb actually, which does its best to look like a palm tree. A very decorative one with a frou-frou look. And it should better be, because you will have to look at it for a long time, for about 2 years more precisely, before you can enjoy your first self-grown ananas. To grow a pineapple, you need a pineapple. It may be a ripe fruit from a supermarket or from an ordinary market, does not matter. What well matters, it must carry a green, fresh-looking crown on its head. Such a cute, pretty thing. I'll dehead it. That's what I'm doing here. I should have better done wearing protective gloves. There are tiny spikes at the edge of the leaves and they prick. Caribbean males run barefoot through pineapple plantations as a rite of their manhood. I twist off its crown bare hand as a rite of my womanhood. This will be my next pineapple plant. I just have to deposit it in a warm, sunny place and refresh water when it gets cloudy. That's what left is food. Delicious, sweet, low in calories with very specific aroma. It is made from vitamins and other very useful stuff. But what makes pineapple unique and particular is the family. The very old one, about 65 million years, and very diverse. Each and every bromelia contains a very exclusive enzyme. It is a substance with a very complicated molecule which provokes very complicated chemical reactions. Well, bromelain provokes the reaction that breaks down protein. That is why your mouth tingles when you eat pineapple. So, while you eat ananas, ananas eats you back. It is harmless and it does not last long. Good news, bromelain works in favor of all breathing organs, breaks the growth of tumors, and has anti-inflammatory effect. And as pineapple is the only edible bromelia, eating it is the only pleasant way to get bromelain inside. So all this pina colada makes from ananas very healthy food. It is also good for digestion, effective working of the metabolic and immune systems, treating of cold and cough, hypertension, arthritis, good for bones, skin, teeth, hair, nails, helps to improve the morning after condition, and can be rather useful in a bedroom. Not for yourself, but for your partner, and not what you think, but against his or her snoring. Just take a pineapple plant or any other bromelia in your bedroom and you will gain the night silence back. Guaranteed. I speak from my personal experience. Now, we know why to grow a pineapple. Let's do it. We are 3 weeks later and the baby is doing well. The roots are coming and the dead scales must go. No use to let them rot and spoil the picture. When the roots are strong enough, this rosette must start the life as an independent plant. This plant needs about 1 square meter in a sunny, warm place. The night temperatures, summer and winter, not less than plus 15 degrees Celsius. And when the fruit starts to take form, the higher the temperature, the sweeter it will be. In the summer, permanently moist soil and fertilizers twice a month. In the winter, no fertilizers and the soil must be dry before next watering. And what it also needs, a lot of your patience. After about 14 months, it will become mature enough. Then it can flower. To do this, all bromelias need stimulation. Professional growers spray ethylene gas on their pineapple fields, and amateur growers lay an over-ripe apple next to their plants. And then it comes, the moment to remember, the flower, or better, many of them, fused together to form the aggregate fruit. My first ananas. And then again, waiting. While waiting, I'll tell you some stories. The first European who had eaten a pineapple was Christopher Columbus. In his report to his main sponsor, Queen Isabella from Spain, he wrote, "Ananas, translated from the language of Brazilian Tupi Indians, means excellent, exceptional, fragrant, outstanding, precious, cool fruit. It looks like artichoke, that's why I'll call it piña. I'll bring some for you as a present." And this fruit in the 15th century became a real sensation, the king of fruit, because of its crown and because of its sweetness. The cane sugar was very expensive and the season of grapes was too short. Pineapple was actually precious. Its price then, converted to dollar now, was about $10,000. It was not only for sale but also for rent. Those who could not afford to eat it could borrow it for some money and use it as table decoration. The pineapples were used for this purpose again and again until they began to rot. Some even started questioning the Holy Bible and declared that Eve gave Adam not an apple but a pineapple. All attempts to cultivate ananas in Europe failed till the 18th century, when in England they started to build hot houses exclusively for growing pineapples. Up to the year 1900, when Mr. James Dole started regular export of pineapples to Europe from his first professional plantation in Hawaii. Hot houses were renamed to greenhouses, and instead of pineapples, people started to grow their tomatoes. Meanwhile, after 20 months, here it is, my precious, my first, from the very beginning up to the very end, self-grown piña. They say that the second fruit on this plant will come after 15 months and that the plant will carry 2, maximum 3 fruit. I'll wait and see, and I'll let you know if it is true. See you next time. Adios.